Oh my days, my face is so shiny. I don't know. Hi guys, it's me, Kamala, and welcome back to my channel, Kami's Life. Today we're going to be putting on 100 layers of Vaseline. Put on Vaseline. Vaseline. I don't know why this came out like this. Let me check in the mirror. Yes. Okay. 100 layer of Vaseline. I know some of you are going to like, put on Vaseline. Yes, I am going to put on Vaseline. You know, that one right now is really beautiful. Okay. Just get the English for me. First thing is this. Yeah, so let's get started. I don't know what to say. Okay. First, oh, well, it's not layers. It's like just putting dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's bad. I have to rub it in after 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's finish what we get called. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You just check. See. Okay. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43. I don't have six more days. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50 more to go. Yes, this is correct. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 72, 73, 74, 75. My face. I look like a whole. That is so much. Like this lot here. 70, 75, 76, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. I forgot where I was. So 84, 85, 86, 87. I'm my first counter. I'm looking this way. 88, 89, 20, 94, 95, 96. Like it doesn't look bad. It is so again. Now it's time for me to lift it. Okay, let me fix the mirror. Look at it. Let me just check and see. Okay, let me just refresh. My skin feels dead. My skin feels. I, after this, I need to be fusion. I forgot this one. No ways. Okay. Okay, we're done. We're done. We're done. This looks so bad. I look like I got some bone. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and aka hit that bell. Thumbs up.